Hi everyone, back with another review on the RoseSelsa Cambrian headphones. The app for this is called Roselink on iOS or Android, and it comes with an audio cable and a USB-C to A charging cable. For $50, I was kind of surprised how nice of build quality these are, and I genuinely mean that. The clamping force is just right, meaning the headphone width is pretty big and they bend very well. The headphone cut material is pretty nice and doesn't push against your ears if you have big ears like me. And they have this protective film on the headphones when you first get them. So to turn them on, you're going to hit this power button and hold them and they'll start flashing. And at that point, you can open up the Roselink app. So I'm going to search the Roselink app in the Play Store on Android. I'm demoing this on Android just for reference. And when you open the app, you just hit agree, allow to connect to Bluetooth devices, and they should pull right up as soon as you turn them on. So I'm going to pair them, and when you pair them, then you can go in and adjust the noise cancellation. So it has noise cancellation, wind mode, and transparency mode. The transparency mode's pretty good, but it's not anywhere near the AirPods Max, obviously, because they're $300 less. But overall, for $50, you do get transparency noise, and you can customize the touch controls in their app, which is pretty nice. So yeah, overall, you can hit this button on the side and change the adjustable noise cancellation modes. And I like that it also has an up and down. That is the up and down volume control. And then also play pause is that bottom button. You can see all these microphone holes on the bottom of the headphones. And there's where you plug in that nice audio cable that it comes with. It really is a nice quality audio cable, metal connection and tips there, so those won't break quickly. I appreciate that. I'm going to switch over to these headphones and give you a microphone example starting now. Okay, I've switched over to the Cambrian headphones. They are on my head, and I'm using their microphone right now to give you a microphone example of how these sound. So what do you think? For $50, do these headphones have a nice Bluetooth microphone? Can you clearly understand me? I was using a Rode lavalier mic before, and so I'm interested to compare it against this Bluetooth mic. RoseSelsa also does make in-ear earbuds and also IEMs, and then also these other types of over-ear headphones called Distant Mountain. So go check out RoseSelsa's website, go buy a couple of their earbuds. They're doing a good job and their app is pretty good. For the prices that they charge, it's honestly a fair price. Thanks for watching, everyone.